Ah, the sweet promise of financial freedom through dividend investing. The idea of receiving regular payments, the potential for capital appreciation, and tax efficiency, all while sitting back and watching your wealth grow, appeals to me. But as with all things in life, the path to success is not always a straight line. As a financial expert with over 20 years of experience and a former licensed financial advisor, I've seen a lot of investors, both new and old, with the same goal in mind: to become financially independent through dividend investing. And while the idea may seem simple, the reality is that it takes time, research, and a fair amount of patience to become a successful dividend investor. You see, becoming a dividend investor is not a task that can be accomplished overnight. It's a process, a journey, if you will, that takes a minimum of 66 days to fully understand and execute. I remember my first foray into the world of dividend investing like it was yesterday. I had just inherited a small sum of money and was eager to invest it and watch it grow. I dove headfirst into researching stocks and bonds, mutual funds, and ETFs that paid regular dividends. I spent a lot of time reading financial statements and performance reports to try to figure out how each investment worked. But it wasn't until I met with a wise old investor who had been in the game for decades that I truly understood the importance of patience and research. He told me, "Son, investing in the stock market is like planting a seed. You can't expect it to grow overnight, it takes time and proper care for it to flourish." And so I followed his advice and took my time. I continued to research, diversifying my portfolio and spreading my risk across different investments. I learned about key factors such as risk tolerance, investment goals, and time horizon, and I made sure to consider them all before making any investments. And after 66 days, I finally felt ready to invest. And you know what? It paid off. I was able to get out of debt and retire early because I invested in dividends and had the patience to see them through. So, my dear friends, if you are considering becoming a dividend investor, remember that it takes time, research, and patience to truly succeed. But if you're willing to put in the work, the rewards can be truly staggering. In this video, we'll discuss the basics of how to become a dividend investor and what you need to know before you start investing. From understanding the different types of investments available to researching companies and their financials to considering key factors such as risk tolerance, investment goals, and time horizon. We'll also talk about how important it is to spread your risk across different investments and diversify your portfolio. So sit back, pour yourself a glass of whiskey, and join me on this journey to financial freedom through the world of dividend investing. As we delve deeper into the world of dividend investing, it's important to understand that becoming a successful dividend investor doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, effort, and patience to see the rewards of your investments. And as we've learned through our own experiences, it takes 66 days to become a dividend investor. Allow me to paint a picture for you. Imagine a grand and majestic oak tree. It takes time for the acorn to be planted, for the roots to grow deep, and for the branches to reach toward the sky. Similarly, becoming a successful dividend investor takes time and effort. It takes research, it takes understanding the market, and it takes patience. You see, many new investors make the mistake of jumping into the stock market without fully understanding the risks and potential rewards. They may invest in a company because of its current high dividends without realizing that the company's financials may not be strong enough to sustain those dividends in the long run. Or perhaps they invest in a company with a strong track record but fail to diversify their portfolio, leaving all their eggs in one basket. But with 66 days of dedicated research, due diligence, and patience, you can avoid these common mistakes. By taking the time to understand the market, researching companies and their financials, and diversifying your portfolio, you set yourself up for long-term success as a dividend investor. I can attest to this from my own experiences. I've seen the rewards of taking the time to understand the market and not just jumping in for a quick profit. I've had clients who came to me frustrated, having lost significant amounts of money in the stock market. But with dedication and patience, I've been able to guide them towards a solid dividend investing strategy, and the rewards have been tremendous. So, remember that it takes time and work to become a successful dividend investor. However, with 66 days of hard work and patience, you can also reach financial freedom through dividend investing. As we delve deeper into the world of dividend investing, I want to share a story with you. A story of a young man eager to retire early and achieve financial freedom. He had heard of the power of dividend investing and was determined to make it work for him. He began his journey with excitement and optimism, but soon realized that it was not as easy as it seemed. You see, becoming a successful dividend investor requires more than just buying a few stocks and sitting back to watch the dividends roll in. It takes time, patience, and a detailed understanding of the market. It takes 66 days, to be exact. Why 66 days? Because it takes that long for a new stock to be added to the dividend reinvestment plan. It takes that much time for research and analysis of the market and individual stocks to identify the best opportunities for long-term growth and income. It takes that long to build a diversified portfolio of dividend-paying investments that can provide a steady stream of income for years to come. But don't let this discourage you. I have seen firsthand the power of dividend investing and the financial freedom it can bring. I have seen the dividends add up over time and the portfolio grow in value. I have seen the power of compounding and the peace of mind that comes with having a steady stream of income. And I want to share that with you. So let's continue on this journey together, and I'll share with you the tips, tricks, and strategies that I have learned along the way to become a successful dividend investor. As we come to the end of our journey, it's important to remember that becoming a successful dividend investor takes time and patience. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, and it certainly isn't easy. It takes 66 days, or 2 months, to become a dividend investor because it takes time to research, plan, and execute a strategy that aligns with your investment goals and risk tolerance. But if you think and act in the right way, dividend investing can help you become financially independent. Remember to diversify your portfolio and to always be willing to adjust your strategy as market conditions change. And most importantly, always be willing to learn and adapt. Thank you for joining me on this journey. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more financial advice and strategies. And as always, if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Happy investing!